From his little cottage in the grill. Feeling the real, get the pain. Are you ready for Duane Stevenson? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, from a little cottage in the green. Oh, I wrote these lines to you, oh my baby, you, and from a little cottage in the green. Girl, I realize I love you still. Oh, from a little cottage in the hill, way down west in the grill. Oh, this man sits, he sits smiling for your love. And gee, we I miss you. And now my lips wanna kiss you. I call you on the phone. To my surprise, you were not home. But from a little cottage in the green, baby. Oh, I wrote these lines to you. Oh, my baby, you. And from that little cottage, way down in the green, girl, I realize I love you still. While brothers smoking J, and some they're shifting, oh, some getting high, licking on them honey pie. Some get tired on dawn and sense of being a kid, but I go west to one sunset at the Ritz Cafe. But from a little cottage in the green, baby, oh, I wrote these lines to you, baby. And from that little cottage, oh, way down in the green, girl, I realize I love you. From a little cottage, oh, I love you, baby, and I want you to come back home to me. And from a little cottage in the green, oh, I realize I love you. Whoa, whoa. Yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. Now, William Grant Park, we have a little time running. Oh, Lord. Oh, this song is for the suffering man. Oh, yeah, yeah. From day to day we live, searching for our identity, while the rich man says we're a better society. But they don't know what it's like, what it's really like, what it's really like. Yes, we'll get to pain, to face real ghetto pressure. Oh, real ghetto pain, a real ghetto pressure, yeah. On and on we go, our heads we try to uphold. Our brothers them turn to cry, fighting each other for a dime. Oh, when while the oppressors them say, oh, them's a turning to politics. Oh, Lord, it's the only way. Real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure. Oh, real ghetto pain, a real ghetto pressure. Oh, this song is for the suffering man. We gotta make it through to face another day. Oh, one day the table will turn. go, or else we try to uphold. The brothers turn to cry, fighting each other for a dime.
No way up.
Oh, when wild got down press as them say. Oh, them say turning to politics. Oh, yes, it's the only way. We face we'll get to pain. We face we'll get to pressure. Oh, we'll get to pain. Yeah, we can't stay long enough. But me and say, we know these days a lot of bad things going on the news. But we are say, hold strong. We are say, keep the faith. We are say, spread some good tidings at whatever cost. You know what I mean? So the name is Duane Stevenson from Augustown, and before I leave here tonight, I must sing this song. Hope you feel it like I do. Ready, I am. A word from the wise, don't try to make life on your own. Remember that judge is by your side. I was a soul who was lost. My life was in dismay. For among evil forces in which I played. Well, guns and ammunition were my chosen way of life. With God-fearing people I chose to strive. God, all of the lives that I've taken, they can never be replaced. But still, Judge, I chose to remember my face. Though I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead on my bending. Oh Father, you rescued me. I got the scars to show. I barely made it along life's road. Oh, when my life got dark, I was the only spark. When I was a young boy, growing up down in Augustown. Oh, we had from the same heart. We were riding all around, yeah. From corner to corner, rockers to jungle to tire. Brazil to dreadlights and river all around, yeah. And then the football ground became a battlefield, and my life seemed so severe. People, they were falling all around, but Jah helped me to stand my ground. Only Jah, yes, only Jah could have saved my life, yeah. I never, blessed love. We expected Richie Spice to come out to me and speak up for themselves. Time is short. Jah love. I tell you, here we go. As we come right now, let's welcome. Are you ready downtown Kingston? This Rastaman give you some big song. Him no sing nothing but hits. The ghetto in the streets are getting hot and the streets are getting cold. He talks about righteous youth. He talks about blood of rent. And he says earth are run red. Are you ready for Richie Spice?
Oh my, greet them of his imperial majesty emperor. I listen, I say I. Yes. Hey. Watch those places you walk and find the way. Watch out for them vampires who will sneak something down. Watch out for them big time thief who claim say Watch it. The back of the beast are coming and they're sneaking and they're man feet. The revelation time, go check the signs of the time. You know, feel it. Why you see the use them Lego in the street, man, you know, I said things now go sweet. Someone a us man a shuffle on the belly day, I can't find food to eat. Holy man will like King Selassie, I Georgia, Rastafari. Give thanks to the time, the moment. This one, let me get it to me and I will reach it myself. And it goes like this. My black like a tar. Black and I'm proud, I have to know who you are. Black like a tar. Yes, Africa is the motherland because every black superstar. Black like a tar. Black and I'm proud, I have to know who you are. Black like a tar. Every time, yes. Some say when I see black puss, you should turn back. Some say nothing good never come out of black. Take black or spot, I say him too black, but my complexion, it's good I never flag. I'm proud to be black, I'm black to be proud. Marcus Garvey lead out 10 million black. I'm black to be proud, I'm proud to be black. Say if you will go on to shout it down, to shout it down, to shout it down, my black. Oh, na 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 na. Because yeah, na na na. And now we are just because the youth them to the fullest. The future, the beginning, the world down there. Yeah, na na. Hey, when I tell you that the time is getting critical, I don't want you to worry. You know I never want you to fret. When there is so much going on, we're silent, and only them same old Babylon trying to run things through the bed. Now if you think that His Majesty sleeping, then you better think it twice. Yeah, He would have never made in Babylon come mash down Zion. When there's an old barrage of righteous youth man out there. I was very careful on the road you shot from a younger generation and the generation to come. Oh na 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 na. The world is a cycle. And everything you have me, yes, it could run in a circle. Yeah, yeah, the world is a cycle. And everything you have me, yes, it could run in a circle. Got to check yourself you take and every breath you make. All the little things that do is coming back at you. And they should it might just be your destiny. Might just rise above the answer, cannot be true. They do right, do right, do right, do right, do right. We go. Our next year here. Time to go. Got my daughters them inside here tonight to see. Before I leave here, I know I couldn't leave without seeing something for the ladies. At that time. Hey, na 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 na. Again. Oh, girl. keep it moving. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, I can see the angel in your eyes. I can see what they say about that atmosphere. I mean, more fresh, cleaner water to the fullest. I'm going to tell you the story about that you I man plan before. Stop. Plant a little tree in my front yard. A precious little tree in my front yard. Always rise for the street. Some say the seed of found upon the wise man tomb. I take it down and spread it in a loom. Pray to Jah for it to germinate soon. Oh, oh, oh. Nothing in this world like the high grade now my chalice. In my chalice. High grade now my chalice. So nothing in this. Yes. If I'm a bird and I'm a one, I'm a corner. Love you. See ya. Shout out. Rastafari bless you. Love you.